everyone. Everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. I welcome you, I embrace you. Just as one as me. To me there's no difference. I don't mind who you are. I just see you as a piece of me. And in this sense we are having an amazing, beautiful day today. Because today I want to invite you to join me in a viral embrace. A viral embracement. And send out a message through an act of love for all of us. For you, me, our neighbors, everybody who is in need of some embracement. Our beautiful planet, the universe, stars, sun, everything. A viral embracement. And let me tell you how easy and how simple we can do this. Yes. So, after this invitation, you will hear a beautiful piece of music. Yeah? Beautiful piece of music. Put on your headphones. Breathe in and breathe out. Put your hand upon your heart. And let the energy, the platform of this music and the melody of my guitar resonate. Yes, resonate through your body. Yeah, in and out. And then, when the journey, the dance is over, I want to invite you to write down the feeling you've got out of there. Just one beautiful, beautiful feeling. So, in the comments below, you write down, I am, and then the feeling you generated, you felt. And then share this in all your communities, friends, social media platforms. Yes? And ask everyone to do exactly the same beautiful thing for yourself and for everybody else. So we go like an amazing, loving, viral virus through the universe, embracing and sending out a huge message through our nature and innocence and the choice of our free will to show up with an act of love, to go through an act of love. We express the feeling I am, that specific beautiful feeling that came up when your heart was, and you were breathing in and out, listening to this beautiful music, allowing you to generate the highest truth you could find within you. And you write that down. I am the gift of life itself. That or could be a possibility. I would write down. Yeah. But let me just inspire you to come up with your unique, beautiful feeling. Yes? And together, through this act of love, we send out a huge global message, embracing our whole beautiful planet. Brothers and sisters and all animals, everything, with that smile. So that's my invitation. And let us all unite and act as one, because that's the true power of a human being. Yeah? Simple and easy. Yeah? So show up. This is the moment. You can show up by just one simple act of love. You write down, I am the gift of life itself. But then your unique version. I am, and your unique version. Yes? Write it down in the comments below. I will make sure this video will find a few platforms, and let us all start sharing this with our neighbors, friends, and let's see how powerful together we are. Yeah? Thank you so much for being you in this beautiful time of transition with ups and downs. But I'm sharing my smile. Yes, I'm sharing my smile. Without a smile, there is no life. And this is about our innocence, our nature, resonating, sharing, embracing to an act of love upon our free will, simple choice, simple action. I'm so counting on all of you, because we're all ready to build a new fundamental life together as all and as one. Yeah. So this is my first step in initiation. Yeah. Let's go for this. Let's do this. Let's smile. Yes. Alright. Thank you. Thank you so much. We'll meet soon. Ciao. Ciao.